I was interacting with Google AI team, one of the product manager in the Google AI team in US, and there were a few very surprising things which came out. So one, of course, was so AI is happening, AI is big, but at the same time, a lot of people are just using or misusing name AI. For example, one of the example which was quoted was 45% of the new startups they use AI, but they do not have anything worthwhile in their project. So they just try to use AI, or they want to use it in future, but just for getting better valuations, just for getting a limelight. So they use word AI. So that's not correct. You need to be very clear in your mind that as an entrepreneur, what question you are trying to solve for the audience and where is AI helping in that. That is another very important thing which I learned after interacting with such people. I was also surprised to know that once when one flight runs from one destination to other, the kind of data which gets generated in one flight by all the machines, sophisticated machines of today's aircrafts, the data generated by one flight is more than the data which Google gets every day. And I'm sure you're shocked, and I was shocked too. Life is going to be driven by data and AI. And what people are saying is, for example, I was reading from one of the leaders. He said 5G along with AI processor is going to rock the world. The way things are going to happen. So AI is going to be very, very important. I was scanning a number of successful startups globally, and the highest list which came out was the projects in healthcare, projects in telecom, projects in every field. AI was part of it for most of these startups which have raised huge amount of money globally in recent times, including in India. In diagnostic companies, I saw out of top 10 funded diagnostic company in last 5 years was using AI in diagnostic platform. So such is the power of artificial intelligence. It's going to rule the world. If you have to be part of it, all the students, all the entrepreneurs, my advice would be interact with the right kind of people, listen to the podcast, read a lot about AI, and see how AI can help your work or careers. All the best.